Hi everyone, so today I want to unbox with you a new style from a new collection by Belle Tress, which is the Icons collection, and I want to unbox with you Teresa in Sparkling Champagne Blonde R. If you're wondering what wig I'm wearing, this is Bradshaw, also by the Icons collection, and this is also available at Wig Studio One. And when you use my code K30, you will get 30% off. Amazing saving. Anyway, this is about Teresa today, so let's unbox her. I'm so excited about this collection. It looks so cute. So, comes packaged like we are used to, with the net. So let's look at the cap construction straight away. It's the same as on Bradshaw. So if you're interested in Bradshaw, you will have the same cap construction. So you have a mono top, and it looks like a double mono top to me. You have a great extended lace front. I mean, look at the lace front here on Bradshaw is beautiful. So I can only assume it's beautiful on here as well. Then you have polyurethane ear tabs. These are really slim. So as you can see on Bradshaw, there is no bulk here on the side where the ear tabs are. So it gives you a really flush fit next to the head, so really natural. You have an extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters, which obviously, as you've seen, I have not changed yet the position. And then it's a mainly hand-tied cap, so you have all of this front section and the mid section is hand-tied. And then you have some covered wefts at the end. As in Bradshaw, there is a little bit of stretch in this cap. Let's look at this color. This is gorgeous. Sparkling Champagne Blonde R. It's really pretty. So if you just want to have a quick comparison of this is Buttercake Blonde R and this is Sparkling Champagne. So this is slightly more beigey in tone, I would say. And this, in comparison, this one is a little bit more golden. Whilst this is more like almost like a mushroomy beigey color in comparison. And if you have, it by itself, it might not feel that way. Teresa, as you can see, very loose curls here, very similar to Bradshaw. So in terms of the loose wave, I would say maybe on Teresa, it's even more loose. Let's take Bradshaw off. Isn't that always the most exciting bit? Let me just shake it first. It's that flip. Once you put it on and then you flip up and you get a real impression of what it looks like first. It's just so exciting. Maybe it's just me. I do not change the adjusters. I just put it on first, see how it fits. And let's do that. Here's the flip, and here you get an idea of what it looks like. So cute. Ooh, this is adorable. Oh wow. Let me just check that it is the correct placement. 4 fingers. Just slightly higher. Right. I will not play with it too much. I want to show it to you straight out of the box. I just run my fingers through it just so it lays not as manic. This is adorable. This is really cute. I feel there's a little bit more volume, looks-wise, on Teresa than it is on Bradshaw. But this is really pretty. So Teresa seems slightly shorter than Bradshaw. Oh, this is so cute. This is so cute. Let's look at the lace front. Wow, another really good lace front. Oh, this is lovely. Get rid of that zigzag parting. There you go. I'm gonna show you the mono top, which is really natural, I feel. Let me just comb it through. Fibers feel lovely. This is absolutely adorable. I think this is great for every day. It's really light. So let's look at this wave pattern here. It's just really like a very loose curl. Let me just show that to you in comparison to Bradshaw. So they are both quite loose curls or loose waves. So tell me what you think of TERESA. Comment down below. Always interesting to know people's opinions. Obviously, we'll review this in depth very, very soon. So stay tuned for that as well. Have a lovely day, and I hope I see you for my review. Bye.